Hey, I'm Anastasia, and this is Anastasia's Hump Day Happenings. Question from a viewer this week came in asking about old wives' tales, stating, I've heard it said that every child you have, you lose a tooth. Is this true? Okay, well, sometimes yes, but I'm going to give you 4 things to consider, and sometimes no. I mean, has anybody seen the Duggars? They all have their teeth, so including the mother. So let's just consider that, shall we? And go straight into the 4 things. 1, if you've had morning sickness, vomiting causes enamel erosion. How much morning sickness did you have? What else was going on in your mouth before you started to have morning sickness? Every woman, every pregnancy is different, but consider that vomiting does cause enamel erosion. Once you lose that structure of enamel, you don't grow it back. Number 2, dry mouth due to hormonal changes. So if you are at risk for the specific strain of bacteria that causes cavities, and you have a dry mouth and you've got these cravings for sugary, sweet kind of things, guess what you're at increased risk for? Cavities. So that would be number 2. Number 3, you're at an increased risk for pregnancy gingivitis. Back to the hormones. This causes the tissue to be puffy. It's going to bleed. It's going to be tender. If you already have lifestyle factors, environmental factors, and a family history of gum disease, guess what? Pregnancy gingivitis could go into gum disease, and yes, we all know that you can lose a tooth with that. And number 4, they found out that more women who are pregnant do not visit their dentist or hygienist during their pregnancy. I encourage you to do that because we can find and help you out with products and suggestions and treatments pertaining to the other 3 areas that I just suggested and shared to you. Look, being pregnant really does affect your oral health, and your oral health does impact sometimes the length or term of the pregnancy. It's all about informing you, your friends, your family, and letting them know that we don't have to have this old wives' tale come true. So please take those 4 things into consideration. If you've got a question for me, write it right down here. And until next Wednesday, take what you learn and make a difference with it.